So hi there, typing army, and this is my third video, third day of typing practice. Let's start. I love E and under speed. The air over his head and everything he touches and so guys, like the video if you are enjoying it. I love typing bro, dudes. I love typing. Basically, if you are in any profession and someone sees you like this typing fast, not like this fast, not like, oh god, 39 VPM. So last record was about 38 VPM maximum, and today we have crossed 39 VPM. So congrats to me. So let's start. Oh god, this is shit bro. So what I was telling, basically if you are in any profession, so this will help you out, because everybody is having the computer, and some of us write emails, some of us write stories or do homework from the school. So it will help us a lot. It will save time. It is a skill that you can develop if you are in IT industry. IT sector means if you are having some course like Python or if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Don't just see and go. Just subscribe it. Just do it, bro. Just do it. Just do it. And our aim is to get 300 VPM per minute, words per minute, and let's see in how many days we can get it. So you can also practice, and if you are having some problems, tell me, I'll solve it. I can't solve your personal problems. I can suggest you, I can motivate you. I can't solve it. You have to solve it. You have to fight against it. You have to do it. So even if you are worried for something that is not belonging to you, don't think much about it, because this is not going to help you out. The thing that is going to help you out is just work hard or work smart. Basically, the days of work hard is gone. Don't work hard. I'll recommend you that just work smart. This is the time that you can build your personality if you are a teenager like me. So if somebody is always bothering you, don't listen to them. Naysayers always are jealous of others, so don't be discouraged. Fuel it up. Just fuel it up, bro. Fuel it up. Don't run on a person that is not going to fulfill your dreams. Don't run. I said don't run for the person that is not going to fulfill your dreams. You have to fulfill your dreams. You have to work smart. You have to work like that. You have to build the personality like no one have ever built. You have to think like that. You have to do like that. Otherwise, I don't know what will happen with you. You see, nobody is going to help you if you are not going to help yourself. And after, if you are helping yourself, don't expect anything to help you, because once you started helping yourself, you will notice that you are not weak, you are stronger than others. The people who always rely on others are the most dumbest and are the most jealous persons. So don't be more bothered by them. Next was, so basically I'm making this video is to just see if you are, I was having some anger problems which I solved by I just started this practice, and now my anger is just finished and I am calm like ice. So don't be angry always. Don't be bothered about people who don't cares you, who don't bothers you. Yeah, sometimes you have to take out that anger. Sometimes you have to, because we are humans, we are not machines that we can't say something. We have to stay silent in all the situations. Sometimes it happen. See, you see, the person who sees the the person who see the thing happening wrong with someone and not doing about anything is the most fucked up person, is the most is the most asshole person that don't bother about things that are wrong. So you have to say sometimes that this is wrong. You have to raise your voice. You have to get that freedom from your parents or whoever it is that bothers you, either your husband, wife, or whoever. Just make a plan that first how to get out of this, how to build your own be financially free, be financially independent. The only thing that can make you successful in life is that be independent in every way that you can. Work hard or work smart, whatever you can do, but it will make you see. Donkey and horse both work, but there is a difference. Donkey always need a direction. Donkey needs a person who always beat him and tell the direction. But and second thing, that donkey doesn't runs, he only works. But a horse is always focused and runs very fast. So there is a difference between. So don't be a donkey, never be a donkey. You have to not be a donkey, like you have to work but no results are coming. You are working hard but no results are coming. Work smart. Make your mind, use your mind. You have mind, you can use. You are a human, you can use your mind. If you are having anger issues, just practice typing every day. It will solve. It will solve. getting you the guarantee that if you are having any anger issues, then my friend, I am suggesting that you should always do some work. You should make yourself busy that no one can make the drawings or something like that you like. Do something that makes you happy. 36 bpm per second, no problem. We are now above 30 bpm per minute, sorry. And absorption, baby. And please don't judge my English, because I don't care that I can't learn English, because if you are a foreigner watching from Australia or USA or UK, then I know you also can't speak some other languages unless you are not told, unless you are not taught or guided. So, or if you are living in India and watching this, then don't forget that we were not born in UK or USA. And one thing, that it doesn't matter that you drink water from the bottle of copper or bottle of chromium. Okay, what does matter is the water. Is that contaminated or pure? See what happened. The main thing is that water matters. Water is important. Water is important. So I don't give a damn to person who say that you can't do something in life. Yes, baby, I can do everything in life. I have those spirit. I am a human. I can do that. You are the shit that is coming from anywhere and just stepped on my foot. So I don't care. I just rub up my foot. I just rub my foot on the ground and stay away from you. You are the shit that came in my way. So I don't care. The people who say that, the people who discourage anyone, are the shit people that come in their life, in their path of life, or we can say directly as life. They come in their way and people step on them and then stay forward. The mistake that people do is that they don't rub their feet, they just go away. So this is the wrong thing. So we have to just rub our feet and go away. We have to not listen it or just yell on it. So please don't bother them. If they don't care you, they discourage you, just fuck them right there, or just ignore them if you can't fuck them. So I'm not telling that you have to. You see, I'm practicing both two things now. I am practicing two things. One is English. First is typing and second is English. So both works I'm doing while I am motivating to you, and second I'm practicing my typing skills. So miseries, these are miseries, the broken rules. And if you are enjoying the video, then don't be desperate, never be desperate. The people who are desperate are not failures. Glorious victories. I don't know what is happening, but just I'm typing like hell. I don't know what I'm typing. I'm not remembering it. I'm not what I can say that I'm not focusing at that. I'm just typing like butter, like a butter. And pure hook. So we are near about 35 words per minute. So let's do it again. And if by chance, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe it, bro. What are you waiting for? So let me remind you, just subscribe my channel. Don't be moron, just subscribe it. I know you will now search for that meaning from Google. So just subscribe it. Subscribe it, bro. Subscribe it. Just do it. Like Nike said, just do it. Don't buy their product. Don't buy their product always. That's why they encourage that. Just buy it. Just buy it. I wish that instead of buying things, we can get the raw materials and we can make ourselves by self. Sometimes I wish, because sometimes it get harder, bro, to find the same thing on the store. So now you can imagine. Oh, what the fuck? What the heck, man? The same word that I was going to say came into the sentence. Echo, 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 echo. She might have got along by bad. So we are not raising from 35 words per minute. Let's see what happens in the throw away the key. There's someone in my head, but it's not me. Oh god, we have crossed 30 BPM. Let's congrats myself. So now we have reached 43 words per minute, and let's see what happens again. Oh sorry, I think that was easy. That was pretty easy. That was pretty easy, bro. BPM. So guys, let's do the next one. Couple of questions. Why you are here? My youngest, why his daughter was in slavery, bro. Don't judge. Don't judge. don't judge my English, because I'll not give you a damn, bro. I know that I can speak a fluent, not Italian. I can speak a fluent English, just I'm not prepared for it. What would it be? So we are less than 35 BPM. Let's do it again. I think it's pretty easy, but I think it is going to be hard also. As the see, and how you can get more, increase the VPM or rate of your typing speed by preventing the mistakes. When you prevent the mistakes, you will get more VPM. And don't be frustrated if you are beginner in it. You are practicing, you are beginner and you are going to practice for your typing skills. So 34 BPM, no problem, we'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll definitely do up to 40 BPM, so no problem. And shout out to all of you, and let's meet tomorrow, day 5 or day 4, and bye bye. Please subscribe my channel, for supporting me. Please subscribe my channel, and if you are enjoying all the videos or any video of my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe my channel.